Hey everybody, it's me, Blue Duolingo. Hey, would you wanna go inside to my clubhouse? Well alright, let's go. Oh, I forgot this every time. Now to make the house appear, we get to say the magic words. The magic words are, Miska, Muska, Blue Duolingo. Say it with me. Miska, Muska, Blue Duolingo. It's the Blue Duolingo's clubhouse, come inside, it's fun inside. Roll call, Bailey, Fandy, Blueberry, Black Duolingo, and Blue Duolingo. That's us. Come on now, it's fun inside, it's the Blue Duolingo's clubhouse, ha ha.
Hello. Come in. How are you two? Oh, sorry. Feeling a little sniffly today. Hey, Blue Duolingo. Did you see who's here? Blue Duolingo? Oh, you see Blue Duolingo. Where? Oh, over there. There he is. Oh, sorry. Ha ha. Oh. Thanks, Blue Duolingo. It's exactly what I needed to feel better. Oh. No? This tissue isn't what I need to feel better? Okay. Well, what do you think I need to feel better? The postman's here, the postman's here. Letters come from far and near. All year round they make me want to cheer. Thank you. And thank you for making me feel so much better. Let's go. Thank you so much for all your help today. You were brilliant. And look, no sniffles. Now it's time for farewell. You know, you've really done well. Thanks for doing your part. You sure are smart. You know, with me, and you, and my friend Blue Duolingo, we can do anything that we want to do.
We can do anything that we want to do. We can do anything.
See you next time.
Duolingo Chupo.